Go guys, ramp TRX. This is before. So something's been done to it. Give a guess? Or maybe not, I don't know. Go ahead, again. Right at 106. I don't think anything's been done to it yet. What do you guys think of him changing the badge from Ram to War? I don't know. And the American flag. I like it. And then it's got vinyl on it. One more? All right, turn it off. All right, guys, we've got a 2022 TRX. Good looking truck. That says War on it. It's ready for war, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, let me show you guys what we done to it. Converter. Then he brought his own Corsa catback system that we installed. It starts at this flange and this flange, okay? We reuse those gaskets on that. And there's the X pipe that comes with it. Double X pipe setup, double helix. Corsa perfected that there and there. Then 2 Corsa mufflers right there. And then 2 tailpipes out the back, all 3-inch mandrel bent into some 5-inch black straight cut tips there and there. Here's the part number on it, 211898PC. It comes in a box of 2, as you can see. There's a second box there. There's all the old pieces that we cut off. We took the whole system off and replaced it. It was damaged anyways, as you guys can see there. So whoever had this truck had some fun with it, but we got it done. And it says War up there too, TRX. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it.
All right, guys, 2021 Ram TRX. What is it, Juan?
TRX.
Yes, sir. Custom bumper. Look at this thing. That is sick. Imagine how bright that is. Wow. I bet you that's a really bright bumper. At night, that's cool though. Anyway, it's got a lip kit, really nice wheels, just a nice stance on these trucks. What we got done on it, something a little different. Every time we do something different. Factory converter. Then it's already trudled from the factory, and then they have this gigantic X pipe on it right there for all those horses or rams. Anyways, 3-inch continues, and then what we did is put 2 Flowmaster Outlaws, part number 15430S as in Sam, shorties right there, instead of the 2 mufflers that go on it right there. Came out really nice, really clean. Added hangers and then left the resonators on it for now. He's going to test it out for a week or so and see if he likes it. That's what the resonators look like right there, if you guys don't know. And then it's got 4.5-inch black angle cut tips out the back, or 5-inch there and there. And then he's got a custom bumper on the back too. So it's a really nice truck. And here's the 2 mufflers that were on it. We cut them off. We're going to let you guys hear it in a second. There'll be a link in the description for everything that, for those 2 mufflers. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee.
Hi guys, 2022 Ram TRX. Woo! What a beast. My next truck. I'm getting one. I have decided. Anyways, let me show you guys what we done. Factory converter there. Factory converter stayed the same. The X pipe stayed the same. Then we did a muffler delete right there. Cut the 2 mufflers off and put straight pipes in their place. Kept the resonators on it out the back. They're like sheets on each side, as you can see them from right there. So 3-inch. And kept the stock tips out the back. And it is We the People 1776 TRX. He just bought it and brought it right to us. So he's like, I can't have it quiet. It's too quiet. I don't blame him. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off. Amazing what these 2 little mufflers can do for sound. They take a lot of the sound away. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Like always, like, comment, and subscribe. Here we go, guys. Ram TRX 2022. Go ahead. Nice idle. Give a gas. Again. Right at 120, guys. That's insane. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. sounds phenomenal. Corsa Xtreme. You guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital and right before Due West Avenue. Beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Corsa Xtreme. Cab back system. TRX. Look at that vinyl wrapping all the way around. It looks good. Sucker screaming. America! I'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
Same.
Outlaws the way to go. Go ahead. TRX. Oh, it sounds so mean. Flowmaster Outlaws. 2022 Ram 4x4 TRX. Here we go. Yeah, sounds good. Nice clean idle. This is idle, guys. It's 85 on idle. Go ahead. Better? Let's go. Again? That sounds phenomenal. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 115. Again. When you get the cold air intake, it'll make a huge difference. I love the wide body on these things. What a beast. TRX. Corsa Xtreme. See? It's a lot more powerful than mine. It's got the 6.2 in it. I'm trying to teach my friend George about the TRX. And see the stance on it? The suspension is different. Everything.
It says level.
Huh?
It says level.
Yeah, but it's higher up than that one. So that's my regular Ram, limited. And I want a TRX. And he's like, I don't know. I said, I want a TRX. So I'm gonna go get a TRX. See? It has more power. You like it? Enjoy it, bro. And then there's a funeral, really? Even the TRX has to come down to the funeral. God rest their soul, man. We're gonna stop recording now. So we're gonna do round 2, guys, because of the funeral. He's gonna try it again for us. I think he made her mad. That Corsa Xtreme sounds good. Yeah, it's the oils off of that. Much better drive off. Much better. Enjoy, guys. TRX, Flowmaster Outlaws, X5. Factories, resonators. I wish it wasn't raining, guys. Sorry, but we'll make do with whatever we have. There it goes. Woohoo! Heavy, baby. That sounds so sick. Here we go. He said he's gonna launch it. Let's see if it'll launch. Oh, it sounds like a truck, guys. Oh man, that sucker flies. Ram, baby. Heavy. Enjoy, guys.